Hey guys, Half Click Up here with another Yamaha FZ6R accessory installation. Today's project, new side views. We have our trusty assistants here. We have...
I'm Talon, this is Archer.
TJ and Booger. Now, if you're familiar with the Yamaha FZ6R, its stock mirrors are kind of, shall we say, ugly. You know, the rabbit ears, man. If you're not familiar, here you go right here. Now, when it comes to selecting a replacement, there's several options out there, mostly on eBay, but the one that's my favorite is actually the mirrors off of a Kawasaki ZX6R. They bolt right up, man. Easy peasy. It's one of the easiest mods you can do. I believe the year is like 2003 to 2006, so you can just punch in like 2006 Kawasaki ZX6R mirrors, and these boogers will come up. My favorite thing about them is that it creates a nice, flat, even plane, man. It's like a pure sport bike look, you know, compared to the rabbit ears that are mostly like touring application, right? Which is what the FZ6R is supposed to be, is like a sport tour. But if you're like me and you're like transforming every aspect of it that you can into sport bike or you know, super sport, whatever, you know. Now these have been on here for probably close to 3 years now, and you can see how the finish, like, watch this. See how you can just leave scratch marks? Like the plastic has turned into this rubberized, just nasty, weathered appearance, man. It's you know, they turn to garbage. Now the cool thing is that they're like 15 bucks. So you know, $15 and you get to have a way better finish. It's an easy cleanup, makes it you know, cleans it up real nice, man. So now the thing about the installation is it will probably take you longer to get the plastics off than it will to actually install the mirrors. It just is what it is. So what you have is this little Allen key bolt here. Now, I know that's like pink, guys. They used to be red. Chinese metal, man. Cheap anodization. So remove that one. You have a push pin here. You have another push pin here. Now when it comes to tools, all you actually need is a 5/32 Allen key thing, majig, and what else you got there, Booger? A socket wrench, maybe. Now these push pins are real easy, man. You just take the Allen key that you're using to take the body bolt out with. You just give it a push. Use your fingernail. Just pop her out of there, man. That's it. Now to actually get to the mirrors, you also have to remove that little body bolt there and that one there, and then this centerpiece will come off. And now she ought to just come out of there. There you go. Bam! You use the stock nuts there. You just stick it in there. It's just that simple. And there you go, man. Just like that. And again, just to reiterate our motivation for this, here's your comparison of the finish. Old, new. And there you go. And of course you just adjust and, you know, season to your personal flavor preference, if you will. But that's it, guys. So you repeat the same process for the other side. Pretty self-explanatory, man. Just 2 little nuts, and then you put all your body work back on. Same way you took it off. Oh, one little tip though. I want to show you guys something. Hey Booger, can you hold the camera for Dada? This will be an experiment. Booger, can you hold the camera for Dada? Point it at me, okay? Point it at me to where I'm in the picture. Can you see me in the picture? You can see me? Oh, my little cameraman. Alright, these push pins, man. What you want to make sure... Booger, can you still see me? Yeah? Okay. Alright, you want to make sure that before you put these back in, go ahead and push them out. You want to push them out, put the entire pin back in, and then press the middle down, and it'll lock into place. Thank you, Booger. If you don't do that, it sucks. So there you go. And by the way, it really is one of the most satisfying clicks in the world. You ready for this? Oh yeah. And there you go, guys, the finished product. Pretty simple little mod, man. Makes the bike look so much better than the factory rabbit ears. Don't you agree? Of course, it makes the rest of the plastics look like ass. Well, guys, if you have any questions about the install, leave them in the comments down below. Smash the like button if you haven't already. Be sure and subscribe. And also check out some of my other FZ6R install and modification videos, man. I've done a lot to old Evelyn here. So be sure and check it out. We'll catch you on the next one. It's been Half Click Up. Can you say bye, Booger?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See you guys.